Good morning, students. I am Ravi Patnaik from Vision Classes. Today, I want to say about quadratic equation. So, first, before starting quadratic equation, some terms we should know, we should learn. So, one thing is 2 plus 3, 2 plus 2 by 5, or 3 plus 7 by 8, or 3 minus 9 by 2. These are all called numerical expressions. Numerical expressions. Now, if this numbers is replaced by literals, so the literals are operated upon numerals also. So 2 by y or 2x plus 3 or 4 by x plus 5. These are called algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions. And suppose some sentences. Suppose 2 plus 3 is greater than 4, or 3 minus 7 is less than 6, or 2 minus 3 is equal to 2, or 4 minus 8 is greater than 5. These are 7 minus 6 is equal to 9. These are all called mathematical sentence. Mathematical, or sometimes literals also will be there. Like suppose instead of x plus 5 is equal to 7, or x square plus x plus minus 6 is greater than 0. These are all called mathematical sentence. And if the mathematical sentence, if it can be verified either true or false, then we can say mathematical statement. Like suppose this is 2 plus 3 is greater than 4 is there. 2 plus 3 is greater than 4 is there. So this is true or false? This is a true statement. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 is always greater than 4. And 3 minus 7 is less than 6. 3 minus 7 is less than 6 is also a true statement. So 2 minus 3 is equal to 2. These are all called mathematical statement. Mathematical statement. So the mathematical sentence which can be verified either true or false is called mathematical statement. Mathematical statement. Some mathematical sentences are there which cannot be verified either true or false. These two will take means this cannot be verified either true or false. This type of suppose x plus 5 is equal to 7, or x square plus x minus 6 is greater than 0, which cannot be verified either true or false. This is called open sentence. Open sentence. So the mathematical sentence which cannot be verified either true or false is called open sentence. So generally we don't need to remember so many definitions, but if you learn it will be nice. So open sentence having equality symbol. Open sentence, suppose this is only x, this is inequality symbol is there, that's why this is inequation is there. And if x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0, this is called a equation. Suppose here x plus 5 is equal to 7 is there. X plus 5 is equal to 7. This is also equation. So if equation has the variable will having highest degree 1, these are called linear equation. And having one variable is called simple equation. And if the variable having a degree 2, it's called quadratic equation. So let's learn about what is the quadratic equation. That's the main topic of ours. So now let's have a overview of a polynomial. The algebraic equation, the algebraic expression, sorry, not equation. The algebraic expression in which the involving variable having non-negative integral power is called polynomial. Polynomial, generally the polynomial will be represented as p of x. Generally, if you take the polynomial, the p of x will be either x plus 5 or we'll take this x plus 5 or x square plus x plus 7 or x plus 1 by 2 or 2x cube plus 3x. These are all called the polynomials. For suppose I will write this x plus 1 by x, x plus 1 by x, or root x plus x, or cube root x plus square root of x, or x plus 1 by root x plus 1 by root x, or anything. These are never be not a polynomial. These are polynomial. So another thing, if you see highest degree is here 2. So that's why the degree of this polynomial is 2. Degree of this polynomial is 2. Degree of this polynomial is 2. Degree of this polynomial is 1. Degree of this polynomial is 1. Degree of this polynomial is the highest power in the terms of a polynomial is called its degree, right? So now see any equation of the form p of x is equal to 0, where p of x is a polynomial of degree 2, is called a quadratic polynomial. Let's write the quadratic polynomial of degree 2 in descending order. Means powers should be in a reduced form. So p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. This is a quadratic polynomial, and p of x is equal to 0. Here this is equal to 0. That is a quadratic equation, where we can write where a, b, c belongs to a real number. Means we generally up to 10th class stage we will learn about real numbers. After 10th class we will go through the complex number a, b, c. There we will write complex number, but at present let's learn about real numbers only, right? So another thing we will observe is here, if a becomes 0, it cannot be a quadratic equation. So here a condition should be a should not be equal to 0. Then only we can say this is a quadratic equation. Means the equation of the form ax square plus bx, in roughly we will say means the equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers, then it is called a quadratic equation. In roughly we can say the definition of the quadratic equation in this form. The equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers, then it is called a quadratic equation. Let's see some types of quadratic equation now. Let's solve the quadratic equation by factorization method. X square plus 5x plus 6, x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. See this quadratic equation, x square plus 5x plus 6. Factorization method we have to use. Here two things we have to see. One is here 6, x constant term is 6 and x coefficient is 5 and x square coefficient is 1. So here we have to see that if you are multiplying you have to get 6, adding means you have to get 5, means here 2 into 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 3 is 6. So multiplying means 6. Adding means 5. Now split this middle term. X square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. If you take x common, then you will get x plus 2. Plus 3 common, then we will get 2. That is equal to 0. So if you take x plus 2 common here, x plus 2 common, then we will get x plus 3 is equal to 0. Either x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to minus 2, or we can get, or x is equal to minus 3. Therefore minus 2 and minus 3 are the solution of quadratic equation, we can say. Solution of quadratic equation, that minus 2 and minus 3. Let's see another equation, that is 2x square minus 5x plus 3. So if here is equal to 0, if you are multiplying 2 into 3, we should get 6. If you are adding minus 5, you should get, that is minus 2 minus 3. So just open the bracket here. 2x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. 2x will take common, means we will get x minus 1. Minus 3 will take common, means we will get x minus 1. So x minus 1 will take common, means we will get 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. That means x minus 1 is equal to 0, x minus 1 is equal to 0, or 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So therefore we can get x is equal to 1, or 2x is equal to 3, that implies x is equal to 3 by 2. So 1 and 3 by 2 is the solution in this equation. So this is the second solution. Did so 2x square plus x, 2x square minus 5x plus 6. So for this, first thing we need to just see that we need to multiply 2 and 3. 2 and 3. 2 3 is 6. 6 we have to write here, right?